I've always found getting back to basics, immersed in nature with the sun on my skin, so recharging. I start my day in the ocean, falling into its rhythms. Then I create space and stop to breathe. I set my intention with clear vision. Our mission here at Recharge is to help you achieve your goals and bring a state of balance back into your life. We focus on the mind, body, and soul. So plug in. It's time to power up. There's never been a better time to tap into your true potential and make the right choices, to really follow your passions. When we harness the power within us, anything is possible. This is what it means to live an authentic life, and that's what we're all about. It's time to recharge.